Hello, so I'm gonna begin a new series in this channel. I'm gonna be teaching how to do some special things in Psych Engine, but well, this time in source code. Source code because I don't know. I think source code has more options. You can do more things than in Lua. So wait, well. So I'm gonna teach this episode how to add completely new characters. Well, no, sorry. Like more characters on a song, multiple characters. So first of all, we're gonna go to togheters, chart a charting state. So here we're gonna add two new nodes. We're gonna add second second car sing and both cars sing. Okay, okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna go to play state. Oh, and something real quick. You can still change the notes sprite. By default, it's the normal one, but you can also change it, and it will work anyways. So now what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create a new character. We're gonna go up here, and right here we're gonna do public bar that b. This will be a character, and by default it will be null. So now, okay, what is it coming? Okay, so now what we'll do is, well, first of all, okay, wait. Okay, so there's a part which here it defines the characters. We don't need to do that. Instead, what we have to do, well, yeah, here's the icons. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so next thing we gotta do is go to the start countdown function, which right here, and here we're gonna create a new conditional. We're gonna say if first song is equal, well, you can add the lowercase here, makes it easier, is equal to, well, and now here we input the song name. I'm gonna do fresh. So if this condition happens, what we're gonna do is that b, the variable with it before, is equal to new character. So here we have to specify the position. Well, I'm not gonna specify it here. I'm just gonna put 00. Now you know what? I'm gonna do minus 150, and we're gonna lower it a bit. So 115. And now we have to specify the character, which I'm gonna say Pico, for example. Oh wait, I forgot to. Okay. Now after this, you have to do group dot add, and we're gonna add the new variable we did. So what this does is this defines our character. In this case, it will be Pico. And here, it will add the character to the game. Okay, let's try for now. So we're gonna compile. And okay, now we're gonna wait for it to compile. And you're gonna see that Pico will appear. Wait. I guess I'll just wait until it happens. So, be right back. Okay, so here we have the game. And we're gonna go to, for example, Bobby Bow. So in here we don't see the second character. But if we go to Fresh, there he is. Now he doesn't dance, he doesn't sing, he just stays here. He's there. And if we go to the charting menu, here we can see the two notes. Although if we use them again, we use these notes, that will sing instead. So that's the problem. For now we gotta fix it. First of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make Pico dance. So for that, we're gonna do if timer. Wait a second. Okay, if timer %2 is equal to 0, if. Okay, now you can copy this. Sorry. You can copy this. Since it's an opponent, we're gonna copy the opponent's conditional. And here we're gonna change that by our new character bio. So if this happens, that B will dance. Okay, wait a second. That doesn't matter. We'll just there. It will work anyways. Okay, but that's not the only thing. We also need to make it dance. Well, below here, we search for it. Wait a second, and hit it. Dance. So here we're gonna do something similar. So we're gonna do here. We're gonna put the same condition, but this time it's Kirby. And now we're gonna put here the same conditional. If. Now we're gonna copy this. And here we're gonna put this. Wait. Oops, I almost forgot. Here we put that B. And here we put that B dance. Okay, there. And now Pico should dance. Let's try that. export the game. Export the game. Oh, wait a second. Oops, I did something wrong. Let me see. Okay, so the error is this. We're gonna ignore this since. Okay, it should be in integer. Let me see. Okay, wait a second. What if we do this? Okay, let's. Oh, let's try again to export. Okay, so we try again. Okay, now it's exporting. So with some luck, Pico will dance now. Will be good. Okay, now let's wait for it to export. Anyway, okay, it's exporting now. Wait a second. Okay, here we have it. Now, Pico still won't sing, but I think it will dance now. So let's try.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, yeah, he didn't sing. So Pico now can dance, which is good. Okay, now we have to make Pico sing because we have a problem now. Okay, wait. So he still won't sing when we put his notes.
2, 1, go!
Okay, so what we're gonna do? All right. So now we have to change. Well, we have to go to opponent node hit. We're first gonna make the we're first gonna make them sing individually. Well, they will be able to do duo, but they won't sing at the same time. So here we have a else if node dot node type is equal to. Okay, and here we have to insert the name, which is this one. I'm gonna copy and paste. Here we're gonna do char that b. So it should work now. Just have to do that to make him sing. Okay, so let's try now. Okay, now it's exported. It won't take that much, luckily. Okay, I guess it's finished now. It should say application main thingy. Yeah, there it is. Okay, so now with that node, we can show dance. Oh, wait a second. Okay, here.
3, 2.
Okay, so Pika dances now. And well, let's try to make it sing. We're gonna make him sing here. Okay, so let's try this.
3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, he sings. So now we're gonna make them make a duet. So the best part about this is that now, well, we can make them do this. Wait a second. We can make them do this, and it's real fun, very funny. So,
3, 2, 1, go!
so funny again at the moment. Okay, now we just have left to do the duo thingy. So here we're gonna add a variable. Oh, okay. So let's do a variable name. Char to sing B. So car is as a character. We're gonna make it an info now. Oh, see, no type is equal to code car sing. So what it's gonna do? It's first of all, well, it just the car will stay the same, but car to sing B will no longer be new, but instead it will be that B. So if car to sing B it's not no, car dot what car to sing B dot play anim to play true. Wait a second. Oh, okay, and to finish we're gonna have this hold timer is equal to 0. All right, so with this we should have finished our multiple character system. So let's compile one last time and try it out. Wait a second. Okay, there. Okay, so it's always exporting now. There, it's exporting. Okay, so here we have the game. Okay, and here we go to fresh. Because already there.
3, 2, 1,
There we have him. He's dancing. And to finish, we're gonna try this. Wait, is it the same? Yeah, it's so we're gonna make people sing here. It is. And now here we're gonna change these notes for the both car sing. Try this. And now,
3,
let's
2,
try it.
1, go!
Yeah, it works.
Twist.
So now we have our both character system, and it works really nice. So that's all for this video. If you want another tutorial on how to do something, you can just tell me and I'll do a tutorial on it. Well, bye.